Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make a bathroom accessory set using concrete. This is going to include a soap dish, a toothbrush holder, and a cotton pad holder, as well as a tray on which they're going to be placed on. So without further ado, let's jump into this video.
Guys, the first thing that we are going to do, we are going to oil our plastic containers as well as this. So using a sponge, if at all you have a if at all you have a brush, you can go ahead and use that. So this is going to be the soap dish, so go ahead and do so. And moving on to the next, see what happened.
Using cooking oil. Yeah, a little cooking oil that I'm using.
I need to use Vaseline. I'm using this. Smear. So this oiling process helps when you're removing the mold from the plastic containers. It's way easier. So please take note. Guys, the next step, we're going to be mixing the concrete, and this is what I used for the measurements. This contains 2 cups in case you're using a measuring jug. Yeah, so I used 3 cups of this for the cement and 1 cup of sand. Yeah, so and then for the water I'm using 2 cups, 2 of these. Yeah, and so you go ahead and mix. We're going to pour this here, and you mix like so.
So guys, this is Fix-It powder, which is a waterproof powder, and I'm going to add 1.5 tablespoons of this to the concrete mixture so that it makes it water resistant. And at the hardware store, this retails for 6,000 Uganda shillings. Yeah.
I'm going to be adding this to that.
This is my first time using the Fix-It powder. Let's see how it all turns out. The next step, I'm going to be adding water gradually to the dry ingredients, and I'm going to be stirring until it mixes and combines together. So the guy at the hardware store advised me that after I have uniformly combined the concrete mixture, I should use it right away, because the Fix-It powder solidifies very quickly. So take note, guys.
This is how it looks like. And then the next step is I want this to be black in color. That's it, to be black in color. So in the hardware store still, I went and bought this color. It's a black color. They have different colors, so in case you want yellow or red, you just go and then they can give it to you. This is how it looks like. It's powder. It's powder. So I'm going to be adding gradually. Yeah, so I bought this at no, the thing is a kilogram retails for 10,000. So I bought a half, and a half is at 5,000. So yes, so you add this. This is 1, 2. I'm going to keep on adding until I get the color. Sorry, not the consistency, but the color that I want. This was the original color. Now it's turning to the black color. Then keep mixing, and then I have to really put this in the plastic molds, because we are using the Fix-It powder, and anytime it will solidify. So guys, I'm going to pour this onto this like so. Do this. Then you pop, remove the air bubbles. So will do. You don't have to fill it because we're going to insert this, guys. So go in like so. Yeah, these are stones. I got this from the lake, actually, on the shores. So I'm going to set this right there. This is how it looks like.
To secure the inner plastics or molds in place, what we're going to do, I'm going to add these stones.
At this next step, we are going to let the concrete mixture dry at room temperature for 72 hours.
Oopsie. Oh. The next step, I'm going to be sanding using a sanding paper, and this is going to help smoothen out the surfaces and the edges, as you can see. Yeah. Using a damp cloth, wipe away the excess dust from the sanding process.
So guys, this is the final reveal of the bottom accessory set. It's charcoal black in color. I made this for my sister. Hope she likes it because I'm in love with it and like how it all turned out. There are a few dents here and there, but it's a perfect imperfection to me and I like its uniqueness. So please don't forget to thumbs up this video and subscribe to my channel. Till next time, bye and happy holidays!